is Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I'm going to teach you how to make a pumpkin spice latte. Very low calories and almost no carbs at all. It's probably about 30 calories per cup, okay? That's it. So what you do, I have my frother here. I'm going to put 2 cups of almond milk in here, okay? And then I'm gonna do a tablespoon of coffee, instant coffee. Now I use decaf because I don't like to do regular because I have a bad heart. 1 teaspoon pumpkin pie spice. Sorry. 2 tablespoons sweetie. And that's all you gotta do, guys. You close your frother, you turn it on, and this is what you get. Delicious, frothy pumpkin spice latte to enjoy during the season, guys. I'm trying so hard this year to help you guys not cheat during the holidays. Can you see it? Can you see it? Okay, so please come see us. Anything you crave, come to the market and just say, Tamara, I crave macaroni and cheese. I crave macaroni salad. I crave spaghetti, whatever. I will help you, okay? God has taught me a lot of things and I want to pass the blessing on. So come see us. We're in the DAVISON Farmers Market, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. Like us on Facebook, Healthy Treats Market. Join the Healthy Treats Market support group. Subscribe to Healthy Treats Market on YouTube. And be sure to go visit HealthyTreatsMarket.com online. Download the recipe book. Check out all the different recipes we've got. Look at the cafe menu that we have. And now all our items that we sell are categorized to try to make it a little bit easier for you, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. God bless you.
Oh, and by the way, that was really good.
It is really good. And thank you, Karen, for the beautiful cup that you gave me. See that? That's me and my Corinne. And it says on the back, those we love don't go away. They walk beside us every day. Unseen, unheard, but always near. Still loved, still missed, and buried dear. I look so forward to the day that I get to be with Corinne and Jesus. Okay, guys, we love you. We'll see you. Bye-bye.